Hi, GC News. Beba Obibia Akwaba. So we are subscribe to the channel now. Best say over subscribe. What the other say over click the subscribe button. Now what barely notification. We have a new video piano. I will upload once everything. After we are now like video, give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Share my offer for Suna. We know now one trade. So I say had the latest and hot news of Kwana midday promo. Afriyie and some about the and some also.
This one too is another thing I want to show you. Mokai say NPP for opposition. No moka DKM. Moka say DKM. John Mahama dia. One ne yere Lodina Mahama. Emma John Mahama ni NDC for Babontin say DKM ya ne dia. Monchinintum. Monfa evidence mbrasa John Mahama ne yere. Eno moko register DKM. Eno maji Ghana for CKD. NPP for deliberately kasam intro eto John Mahama so. Emma Ghana for Jimmy for bisu GDE. Akufo-Addo KB. Jankroma Bawumia KB. Rebecca Akufo-Addo KB. Akoya we are Jimmy Ofri Onoi. Sir John Jimmy Onusu KB. Kromfo yoko we and Kranfo asasi. Sir John doesn't yanko ponshana say or Jimmy for. Any akromfo mo MPP mu nyina say John Mahama ko bie DKM. And we Ghana fosika ebesin ne. DKM fosika mo say John Mahama ne Lodina ne wiae no. Lodina de bie John Mahama DKM sika no company no wan mu ne bie wan dia. Evidence no wan. Lodina Mahama ne Mahama bro. Yete ha nanseya ma John Bawumia eco campaign akwa we na DKM ye ne dia. Omo na mo sponsor Bawumia campaign. DKM no akwa ne ti se money box ye ogina okokoyi. DKM NPP ni dia. Boy we na DKM ye ne dia and on na sponsor Bawumia campaign. Some we Jimmy. Motete Ghana ma ewifo we saa kwasiampanyi we unchini mbunu kom wodi nkofo sika di ye on se ende Bawumia nam Ghana ejimi no hono DKM no ono na di Bawumia chi a owia musika ni we no odi sponsor Bawumia campaign ena mote Ghana se Mahama ne yere ena bie DKM Akufo-Addo achichidie we tumi gina stage na otwa atro ato Mahama so na ahemfotewo ebo mu nsem. This is the DKM guy. And the Oko Ghana Weba, this guy was sent to court. He was supposed to be jailed. Ghana Web today, they have deleted all the stories. This boy, he's a criminal. A Krobia Swankia body timu tuatwachine, or ye DKM owner no. Sa boy when a rianko fosika omrisha Mahama kon, and a Lodina Mahama kon. And there, on in a di Bawumia Sikana o ria no, and then the Bawumia, Omodia campaign ma Bawumia. DKM case no, because he's saying, who is the owner of DKM? Enyakwawe. Yet not Ghana near chat troneda to Nipaso. Especially we are 10 crampo dia. You don't have any room. You have no room to clear yourself. Besides, you have no room to clean yourself. We are 10 penny they are swallow. Or you're 10 into chat trotto swa F. Yendi Mahama tem yengu or yen yiri ni mase. Omonya come for enti Mahama ireno. One de oh so on no inyo. One de free Bahama sava a hot side. Oh when we yengu mo ni mase. DKM no nie. And on the Bawumia. Sikana owia no mo campaign and the own Bawumia and odidi nechi. Yebe kai mo asemi. Calculation. Campaign time edu. Na campaign time drew madam on say and the campaign what are there no on so winning campaign we no campaign ni wa or Beyonce the moment you be campaign this year no adane e Fatima Atta sa akwa we sa girl we or your con artist Samira or sorry no aboko set no aheham na wa dwonso ansa na wa dress obani pema 8 hours no dwonso ye Oba otumi kuta le junso 8 hours on junso awaboko set no or a dangerous chain bonsam. TMA. Campaign time edu. Wa dress se bolega confirm. On send onama hwe no ho zem. I say otonkoko ewo ehfa ewo yamusukuro because on say Ghana for zongo for ne ma ne bi ejimi. On say Ghana for ejimi nti ohun. O win election wi a Beyonce. Election beduru pe no adane Aminata. Now address said your tongue mole. No on an Ghana Jimmy no oh Samira. Debia ye catch the Ghana forces ara a start ni bawi. On Bawumia. Bawumia be matintin kronim ni tintin. Enya Bawumia no pe wo hu se mo Ghana for mo Jimmy. Me say oba otumi boko set 8 hours a on junso or a dangerous chamber on some. We otumi boko set otumi dwonso no aboko set no tinipem 8 hours on home no I say hey madam oba otumi sie dwonso 8 hours e woni pem on dwonso oye dangerous chair bonsam wey oye dangerous chair bibia Bawumia jimi ojimi nyina ya kwa we o wanya meja wo Mambrusi ni akonya child ni wanya ye beja no nti ojimi no ho keka de obeka nti say election beduru pe no wadane Aminata ye wie election na no wadane Beyonce ono no nipa baako o obegin say nipa different nipa baako so we picture na begin say there are two people. No, this is one individual. And all that doesn't go for man because don't go for man be no they don't want to think. Aminata waba from this time going bedress said your Tom Mole. From now or till say about twaba or bedress as ma ne papa wu ne papa ya ambassador. Ni nua be ma agi contractor wo Ghana nyina esim kwasia airport. Oni eye akwebi a friend alolo over $700 million. They are saving it in one of the islands. She has money than Ghana. And the woman say ye jiminti. Inti ya to abawie ya no akoto Beyonce ntade no wahye. Ohye trumitia na wapimpam entuma baako $30,000 na apam $200,000 na hye no. Ye beto abape na wadane Aminata. Hwe, onsi bia waye. O jimimo muzongo fo ma no. A motonton besini kokoro. Sa girl we onjini mu hu ofri chat. Me se oba otumi sie dwonso 8 hours. Samira tumi tina ni pem 8 hours no ondwonso ye. O man nsu anom kitwe bi wa calculate ni yam. We mia corset no to. O ye dangerous chain Eve. Sa Samira na mu hunu sa no. Bawumia nkwasi ade o nyina ye Samira na mane yo. Samira ono pe vice president wife na edio. Na Samira bre no be the vice president wife. O mo play this one. Sa mo presidential play no. Obehihye makeup de obehihye gum. Owia ne wetu no de kɔ Ameria e wo Chad. Mo de se mo agimi yetumufo na mo dwum to. On de omaye mo aba beduru a. Oba otumi de dwunso gu ne yem 8 hours a on tena ni pem a on sorry on mu nsuo no we dangerous chain Eve. Me de maka kire mo. Ende wadane Aminata ye beto aba pe na wadane Aminata ye to wie pe na wadane Beyonce Aminata Beyonce no Samira Aminata Beyonce onye munye very careful about this very dangerous woman or you're very cunning me mesomafo now we got Samira ye to aba wie pe na wadane Beyonce ye beto aba na wadane Aminata Samira now Bohu akwawe, your friend Charles Bissiw. On say recently, I came to tell you, say, Charles Bissiw say, Obese Odi MP, or Keten. Now you see, Ghana, we are so foolish, eh? You give it to the point I say, MPP want to study Ghana for a long time. And Obi Obe joining MPP, be 90% of all joining MPP, you know, we are fake. Qualifications, a fake. 90%. Because majority of omo DMPP chomo nkenkan. I'm telling you. Ope illiterates are omo Ghana, omo ko school are omo di politics omo nyina DMPP. All that you need to tell them that is that you are a lawyer, you are a doctor, or the oko school abruchiri. They don't care. Omo I say enkoko, they won hear so betu ebru no mo di. The MPP as a political party no is made up with people who are criminals, murderers. And the people omudi omechino MPP for him so omejimi. Now here, this is Charles Bissiw. Ni profile and the watcher or say or the yenhwe so ne mfa to abama no mbeye MP for Keten. Esikado Keten and the yakwa kwatam ne de naba Esikado Keten say ombedi MP. After Chrono Charles Bissiw boy ya obo nipa tuo ewi ankofo excavators. Charles Bissiw's record. My last me can someone say Charles Bissiw saw a bema. Questions are mebusa no on me answer. Charles Bissiw till date he has not answered. Charles Bissiw is fraud. Charles Bissiw will go to jail. Everything about Charles Bissiw is a lie. Anywhere Charles Bissiw be jinakas or a lawyer be obwa, tell him to provide his certificate on your lawyer. He's a liar. Now Monshare or see the profile I am some fan to abamano. Or say Monitio, this is Charles Bissiw. And I'll ask him the questions I asked him the last time again. He needs to answer those questions because me will be a person me de Ghana for. Charles Bissiw is a murderer. He's a rapist. Sakwawi. Or you're dangerous. Charles Cromwell Nana Benyin Enuawonto Bissiw, and a hunter by birth, or see a hunter, comes from a distinguished political lineage of scholars. Tie. We on the natural better about on the profile no when you so the record near fan to abamano ewo ketan esikado ketan nanan ketia mo na support Charles Bissiw Kromfowi. Me I will say it whether you like it or not, because yetiana na po edidi Kwame Nkrumah tem nanan ketia ne be ma yira wentumi ankasa. Nanan ketia could not tell Napo to apologize. Nanan ketia be ma ko hye ni yam wadan kotter ena ne be ma ko hye ni yam ne edi Kwame Nkrumah tem. Nanan ketia sorry also a pan-Africanist or a Nkrumahist. It's a disgrace to Nkrumah. Let me read this to you. He follows in the footsteps of his forefathers, including George Alfred Grant, or send the forefathers here, George Grant. Akwawe, Charles Bissiw. And then Charles Bissiw said, oh no, or ya hunter ni, ya wonwa hunter. Na, ono, nebusium, na politicians, a titru and the film. Ni profile ni o when ordinam a hunter or see a fan to abamano Charles Bissiw. Na sebio ono eye ne busium no scholars, any lawyers, any businessmen akesiye any film Charles Bissiw. O see ne busium mpanifo anane nananom a sebio obo bra ebi ne obi a ye friend George Alfred Grant, George Grant ne nana Charles Bissiw. Mo de se wo hu se mo jimi. According must say, the father of Gold Coast politics. In Charles Bissiw say, Gold Coast politics. The name of Nana, George Grant. Oh no, Nana no. And the Charles Bissiw Nana George Grant. Charles Bissiw, I want to need to say me out. Hey, Charles Bissiw, ne mama I want to need to say me. Charles Bissiw, onya hunting you. Ne mama I want to need to say si me mama free denu. But more NPP for no more ketan for no. Charles Bissiw mu se mu bi mo Jimmy. Okore ni no say obi so e friend Sir Emmanuel Charles Quest e nebusieni Gold Coast omuna efri nebusiem Charles Bissiw ya wunani o ne maame ya wunani te sese bia me maame ya wunani Charles Bissiw opa mbra bon te be kase ne maame ya wunani. Okore ni no say Charles Bissiw ewrade Ebeneza Begina Sechi Hughes so the third Speaker of Parliament of the Fourth Republic, the renowned J.H. Bissiw of the Bissiw House in Esikado, and many others. Or say, oh, Mokai Papa de Feno Ebeneza Benina Sechi Hughes, or say, no, no, and a year third Speaker of Parliament, I Feno J.H. Bissiw, a year on an Aquano Bois. Bessie. Got a Jimmy O. Watch when no the number on the profile of the Parliament near Charles Bissiw. Mo friend na mo mutan se me se me boa ono na print ade we ba beto abontene na woko the second paragraph to so a point now we stating here tie hey time no day more about Charles Bissiw or say established the Nottingham chapter of the NPP and was subsequently made the chairman. Or see adikudenti ayentu abaman mari NPP ni say uko UK Nottingham on na ti NPP ku na ohoro. Hey rade Agyapong. Enu ti ne yenhwe so na yentu abama Charles Bissiw me esikado keten for MP. Or see the reasons inti on the reason me nie. Ne wo fa ne pa grant. Ne for baako so ne esikado den ne nana baako na ne friend den Bissiw Speaker of Charles Bissiw ne maame ya wunani te se me okore nim no say adekudie ntia yento abama ne say subsequently made the chairman or say or contested a Hunter West parliamentary primaries in 2010 and no crack count the chest say was say ye MP for a Hunter West esikado keten. 2. He returned home in 2014 and got elected as the Western Regional Secretary. Also, adikudientia yenye no MP ewo esikado keten say 2014 and free UK. Mumusan said no koye no UK. Ejuma ben na oye no UK. Edia record no ja no UK. And oba Ghana 2014. Inti oba ene no mo ye the secretary of Western Region NPP. Point 3. With its innovative approach to election and party management, the NPP won massively in the 2016 elections. The party doubled its representation from 8 to 16 seats, making the Western region one of its strongholds. Just say, oh, Okahona NPP winning power. 2016, I'm sitting from 8, echo 16, it's MP. Charles Bissiw. Erade. Me busa the question, person be answer. Charles Bissiw and be answer questions. Or say, in 2017, he was appointed as a presidential staffer and subsequently as the secretary to the Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining, IMCIM. A honoko bo tuo or real excavators over 2,550 kilograms of black gold or tamaye Edura Jubilee House. Charles Bissiw announced a no bribe TV so the whole world the channel. Also, when a chese was here the MP, I am for Western region, ewo esikado katen, almost so Charles Bissiw so. Nananketia egunsa egu Charles Bissiw trisu say onko di MP. Nananketia be careful oh. Sadia na wo yen what I was say katen oh. Yo. Now you go to the next one. From 2014 to 2022, he served as a member of the National Council of the NPP. He's currently doing a PhD. He is currently doing a PhD focusing on sustainable development in the small-scale mining sector. Obwa. Charles Bissiw has never been a lawyer. He is not doing any PhD. Obwa. He holds an LLM in international business and an LLB in business law. He's lying. Charles Bissiw cannot produce any law certificate. Me say, Charles Bissiw cannot produce any law certificate in this world. Obwa. On your lawyer. Charles Bissiw is not a lawyer. So Charles Bissiw said, or a lawyer, he should produce his certification. He is an accomplished businessman. Or a cromfor. Let me tell you something. Charles Bissiw lived in the UK. Time UK, no phone company. Korea phones near Pamono. He's a criminal. Now let me take you back. Now make sure Charles Bissiw, ne life, ne history. More questions to ask him. 1996, not Charles Bissiw of Form 4. Me mau date, me mau time, me mau school. Not Oko school in CN. Charles Bissiw in 1996, Form 4. He raped a student in that school, a mate. Charles Bissiw raped that girl, your friend Anita. For some reason, I don't want to put Anita's picture on the screen. See, 1996, not Charles Bissiw of Form 4. Charles Bissiw raped a student and not in the school. Girl, no, your friend Anita. For some reason, I don't want to tell you her surname. Charles Bissiw rape Anita, no. I'm telling you, make sure the reason why Charles Bissiw ain't to be senior high school. Charles Bissiw did not complete senior high school. So because just says Charles Bissiw we senior high school, Monchem year we senior high school. Charles Bissiw was sacked. You know what he did? Charles Bissiw raped Anita, and a teacher now Anita call report man na Owusu the friend of Mr. Franco Makosa. Mr. Franco Makosa. Charles Bissiw beat that teacher. Emma, after a week or two, that teacher died. TA. Wait, so person in the profile, better abontine. Make sure the profile. Charles Bissiw. A murderer, a rapist. So, after raping that lady, a friend Anita, in Form 4, 1996, oh, and Anita the reporting case no the teacher now Oche Charles Bissiw so rape Anita no your friend no Franco Makosa me bodin send your beya people who know say na or a science teacher. The teacher was a science teacher. Charles Bissiw beat this man. In the 1 week the man passed out. He passed away. Man you Charles Bissiw when we SS. Charles Bissiw me person catch us say one call law school one graduate o baby UK no call no oko repeat obi o UK. And no phone company no no me adwuma no oko wia phone ye che no and e deport no. And no name word be share sa NPP girl no. Munim Charles Bissiw ana. Opa, I want Charles Bissiw to come out. Now me can check Ghana for say all the things that I'm saying is a lie or PR. Or all the radio stations. Charles Bissiw should come out one day on any radio station and say all that I'm saying is a lie. Charles Bissiw, I am daring him. May dare Charles Bissiw or China Ombra Bontine and grant interview said ya make na meboa. On find a law certificate and kahun. Onka said he did not rape Anita. Me said there's a reason why I'm not showing the lady's face, but me what reason to Mr. Charles Bissiw Babontin. Onka said 1996. Science teacher, Mr. Makosa, one bono ma teacher ne one repeat Anita. Mumusa Charles Bissiw say, he now call law school or pass out the certification way or call UK. A dentina company now no ton phones on the pamono. He stole a phone. He's a criminal. Mumusa Charles Bissiw say, or graduate law school, why not in graduate law school?
You waiting for because just so and our head no so we can subscribe or ya necessary open subscribe. Now I like it. Now feel watch a video no ama of so any now what was over to me actually what in Afriyie and some week now I will comment box in Mobeti interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.